Now, the fourth step is arguably the most important one you can take because it is actually taking immediate action. Whether it's big or small, a step forward is a step forward in the right direction. So whether it's making that list, it's the next step may be, okay, I've already made the list. I've got to evaluate. I've got to create that list with the goals. Now let's get going with it. What was on that list? Step one, update the resume. Again, using the careers as the example. Okay, let me get up to date on my resume. Let me make sure my LinkedIn's up to date. How's my profile photo? Is it looking good? And start putting the wheels in motion. Make one step forward every single day. One thing I like to say is every day do something that moves the needle, even if it's a little bit. Do one thing that moves the needle every day.
Absolutely. And one thing that I want to add to this is that we have to be intentional with our actions. It's don't wait for your husband or your mother or your kids to motivate you. You have to motivate yourself. You have to say, I'm going to take this action. I'm going to do it for myself. I'm going to be intentional. And if you want to redesign and really transform your life in any way or form, you are the one who have to do it. Nobody else is going to do it for you. So this point, I will say, is one of the most important ones because you can redesign your life all you want in paper, but if you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. So it's important that you're intentional about every decision that you make, that you actually take action, and that you set up goals for yourself and you stick to those goals.